Hello everyone, welcome to AnalyticsSpike YouTube channel. Today's video I will discuss about how to take Facebook Pixel AddtoCart event tracking with GTM. GTM means Google Tag Manager. Let's start this video. Previous video I create Facebook view content tag. Everything is here. AddtoCart is same as this view content. I need some sense this event once per page and save. Then this video I want to create Facebook AddtoCart tracking. Let's start. Then firstly need to go at new. Firstly need to go at text, then click new, then click pencil icon, then select Facebook Pixel template. Then need to Facebook Pixel ID, then click here and find out Facebook Pixel ID. Previous video I will created a Facebook Pixel constant variable, then select standard event, then search on AddtoCart, then go to then scroll down, then add property. Need some property name and property value, event name, like event name, paste here event name, content type, content name, content ID, content name, content IDs, value and currency. Then need the properties value name AddtoCart. Same as this name. Content type product, content name. Click here. Previous video I create some variable. This is content name variable. Then content IDs. This is content IDs. Contents value. Contents value means item price. Currency means DLP currency. Scroll down, nothing here. Once per page. Then need to create a trigger. Click here, then click plus icon, then pencil icon, then find out custom events. Copy this, then paste here. Given a name like Facebook AddtoCart triggers, then save. All done. Then given a name here, FB AddtoCart tag, and click save. Then click preview button. Then given your website URL, paste here, then click connect. Then scroll down, view a product. If I check Google Tag Manager debug view content tag already fired. I need to create AddtoCart. Click AddtoCart. Then click Facebook Pixel AddtoCart text fired. Everything is here. Likes. If I check product ID, product name, product price, everything is here. AddtoCart, find out AddtoCart variables. If I check event name, add to cart, delivery currency name USD, item ID, 106, product name, this is product name here, product price. If I check product price, this is everything is here. Go to Facebook event manager, then scroll down, then click here, then click on button, then click everything on button, then click on button, everything is on. Need for this event mesh quality and your Facebook conversion API event mesh quality performance. Thank you for watching this video. Next video I will discuss about how to track Facebook initiate checkout, means purchase checkout. Thank you for watching. Please connect with us Facebook page, Twitter page, LinkedIn page. If you have any specific requirement, please mail on this email address. Thank you.